Hi, I am Roxana from VP State, and in this video I will show how to import the demo in Italian language. I will show all the steps that you need to take after the theme install until the point where you can add your own content. In this domain I have installed the latest VP Residence theme and all included plugins. The next step is to activate the theme. Here I will add my license key. I added the key. I will press check license. My theme is now active. Since I will show how to import a language demo, I will need to install the child theme, as all language files are saved there. I have the theme pack saved on my desktop. I will unzip. And this is the file that I need to install. I will go to Themes, add new theme, press Upload theme. I will select the file from my device. This is the file. Press Install. And I will activate the child theme so the language will apply. The next step is to set the site language from Settings General. I will select Italian and save my changes. The theme supports SVG icons for features and amenities. For the icons to work and for the demo ones to be imported along with the demo content, you will need to install the SVG Support plugin. I will show how to do it. I will go to Plugins. I will click Add New. Look for SVG Support. This is the plugin that you need to install. I will activate the plugin. And now I will need to set the plugin to be used only from admin. I will go to Settings and tick the option for administrator restriction. I will save my changes. Now I will import the demo. This is the demo in Italian language. I will press Import Demo, continue and import. The demo import might take a few minutes. The import is complete. I will click Visit Site. The demo content was imported. For the demo to look exactly as the official one, you will need to make some manual adjustments. I will show exactly what you need to do. The images for the categories shortcode used in homepage will need to manually be uploaded. I will start by editing the homepage and making sure that the shortcodes have valid categories assigned. Since the homepage was created with Elementor, I will use Edit with Elementor option to edit it. In the first section, we use VP Residence Grids shortcode, and for this shortcode, you only need to pick the category. But for the second section, the one here, you will need to manually assign categories. I will assign random ones. I will save my changes. And now I will start adding images. I will go to Admin, Properties, and I will start uploading images for each category that I used in homepage. I will start with this one. I will click Edit. Upload image. I will select an image from my device. insert into post, and save. I will do the same for each category used. I will show one more example. Edit, press upload image, select an image from my device, insert into post, and save. I finished adding all images. Now the two sections show correctly. On home page you also have a map area. For the map to work correctly, you will need to decide on the map system that you wish to use. You will need to go to Theme Options, Map, if Google Maps will be selected, then a Google Maps API key will need to be created and added in the theme, or you can leave OpenStreet. Also, you will need to set permalinks correctly. You will need to go to Settings, Permalinks, and set permalinks custom. You will need to save changes. The demo content is now complete and you can start adding your own content. I will show quickly how to manage translations and how to change the header type on home page. Currently, we use a theme slider that will display the featured image of the listing selected. I will show how to change these properties. I will go to Theme Options, General, here you have the theme slider settings, and you will need to select the properties that you wish to be displayed in header. You also have available other settings. If you wish to change the header to another type than theme slider, you need to edit the page, go to Appearance Options, and from here select the header type that you wish to display. You can select an image, a revolution slider, a map, or a video. To manage translation easier, use Loco Translate plugin. I will show how to install it. You will need to go to Plugins, click Add New, look for Loco Translate plugin. This is the plugin that you need to install. Activate the plugin. Now you can easily manage translations. Go to Loco Translate. Here you will see the site language, and here you will have the active theme. You need to open it. Look for the Italian language file. Edit. And here you will need to add missing translation and edit existing ones. To edit translations, you will need to click on the string that you wish to edit, and here you will need to add the words that you wish to display on front end. The same will need to be done for VP Residence Core plugin. You need to go to Plugins, open VP Residence Theme Core Functionality plugin, look for Italian language file, edit. You need to add missing translations and edit existing ones if that is what you wish. This wraps our video. Thank you for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant notification on new videos.